explained before in the previous video that how Forex works. I told you it works with gold. Today I'm going to be giving you a brief explanation of something you guys have experienced before, or if you have not, you may have experienced it on your demo account or a real life account, whereby whenever you place a trade on your Meta 5 or your Meta 4 or any terminal you're using, and you are incurring losses before you start making profits. Why that? Why do I have to lose before I can start making profit? Okay, let me show you what I'm trying to say. Now on this account now, let's just say I want to buy with 0.01, and when I look at my trade, I see that I'm losing first. Why am I losing first? Why do I have to lose first? I don't supposed to lose first, right? At least I'm supposed to be making profit, or it is supposed to be on neutral. Understand? It's supposed to be on neutral, but it's not like that. It's not on neutral because of the power of spread. Now, what is this spread? This spread is what your broker charge you. Your broker charge you because of the funds it gives you. So because of that, it's going to charge you a spread. Some broker charge commissions, while some charge spread. So whenever you want to choose a broker, always be aware of their spread. Now, where can you find this spread? Where can you see this spread? If you look at this green line and this red line and this green line, this red line, this green line, this distance, this gap between them is the spread. The gap between them is the spread. So if you minus the value of this red line away from the value of this green line, it will give you the distance of these two value. Of these two lines, it will give you the distance value. So that distance value is what your spread is what your broker is charging you as a spread. So the simplest way to calculate it, whereby you be hearing, okay, what is bid and ask price? Most of you could have been hearing bid and ask price before. Now the ask price, this is the ask price. The ask price is the selling price. Look at it here, look at my sell. So the price written here is the ask price. Look at my buy. The price written here is the bid price. So when you want to calculate, always calculate this, the ask price from the what? From the bid price. This is it. This is the ask price, and this is the bid. Sorry, this is the ask price. This green line is the ask price. This red line is the bid price. The bid is buy, the ask is sell. So when you minus the ask and bid together, it will give you the spread. So just have it in your mindset that, okay, anytime you ask for an ask price, they are telling you that an ask price is a selling price, a bid price is a buying price. Minus the ask price from the bid price will give you the value of a spread. For example, buying of dollar in naira is 1,700. That is the bid price. Selling of naira to dollar is 1,690. That is the ask price. Now, if you minus 1,700 from 1,690, you'll be having 10 naira. That 10 naira is what is the spread. That 10 naira is what your broker is charging you. Your broker is charging you 10 naira. So you have to make profits. Either you make profits or you make loss. The broker has already charged you that 10 naira, which is going to be taken from your account. That is the spread here. That is why most time when you have losses, when you place a trade, you start having losses first before you start making profits, because of the power of spread. So whenever you want to choose a broker, always look at the power of spread, the distance between these two lines. If it is too much, run away from it. If it is very small, then that broker is a reputable broker for spread decision. So just because of this green line now, because of this green line now, you can see how much I'm losing. I shouldn't be losing this kind of amount because of the spread. If this green line is at this value here, the amount I'll be risking here should be about $10 to $20 I'll be risking here. But because of this spread value, it's going to acquire much losses. Now, if I'm to place a trade now, maybe a buy trade now, the market will be activated from here. This red line, the market will activate from this red line. So this green line has to pass where my market activated before I make profit. Now, when I bought before, this is where the red line was at before, when I bought before. So this green line now has to cross this blue line you are seeing here, where the market activated me before, the previous price where the red line was before. So that is where I bought from. Now, because I bought from there, this sell line, this gray line, which is the sell value, has to pass this line before I can start making even 1 cent profit. If this gray line does not pass this place, I won't make any profit. If this gray line keep going further away from this blue line, keep going down away from this blue line that activated me, I'll keep on having losses till my account balance is gone, till everything is gone. So we use stop loss to stop that, which I'm still going to explain in the next class. So if you have any question on this spread I've just explained, please feel free to ask in the comment section. Understand that the bid is the buy, the ask is the sell. The difference between the bid and ask price will give you the spread value. So always minus it to know the spread value. If you cannot minus it and you don't understand how to minus it, just look at the difference between these two lines. If the difference between the two lines is large, run away from it. Look for the one that has small difference, very small difference. You know that, okay, this small difference there, okay, let's say if you want to know the smallest difference, the smallest difference, please always use the 1 minute time frame. Always use the 1 minute time frame. This is 1 minute, this is 5 minutes, this is 15 minutes, this is 30 minutes, this is 1 hour, this is 4 hours. Use the 1 minute time frame to determine the spread of a broker. Don't use 5 minutes, don't use 15 minutes, don't use 1 hour, don't use 4 hours to determine the spread. Don't. Now look at 4 hours. Say I to be on 4 hours. You can see the way it is on 4 hours. Now look for a spread, a broker that charges this kind of spread on 1 minute time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. If this kind of thing is showing on your 1 minute time frame, that kind of broker, please recommend it to me. I'm sorry for saying that anyway. Now always look at broker that have this kind of level of spread. Now this is 4 hours time frame. Don't determine the spread value of a broker by the 4 hours time frame. Determine the spread value of a broker by the 1 minute time frame. So with that, you know how far and how strong or how small their spread is. So that'll be all for today's class. Tomorrow, see you guys till tomorrow for another brief explanation on what is lot size and how to use lot size. So see you guys till tomorrow.